I was at RecFest last week. It's one of the biggest recruiting conference that held in Nashville, Tennessee. I loved attending that session and would love to share some of the key takeaways that I took from there. And one thing that came up again and again was that AI is transforming how we recruit, but it's also redefining what it means to be a recruiter. And many teams are getting leaner. Now, fewer recruiters handling more acquisition in a belief that AI can automate most of the hiring process. But here is a challenge. AI also brings volume. We are now getting thousands of resumes in a day. And since every other candidate is using AI to tailor their resume, spotting what's real and authentic has become tougher than ever. And that's why hiring quality talent is still a challenge. And that's where human judgment becomes truly irreplaceable. Recruiting is an art, not a formula. There are nuances that AI won't catch. The tone, intent, and authenticity that you sense only during the real conversation. Now, what AI can do? AI can screen by keywords, schedule interviews, and even draft outreach emails. But at the end of the day, we recruiters validate. AI can suggest, make this process faster, but it can't sense. And another big takeaway from RecFest was a shift toward quality and speed. Quality of applicants is now a recruiter's KPI. We are measured not by volume, but how close are shortlisted candidates to that ideal fit. Then comes market intelligence. Knowing before you start how competitive the talent market is, what others are paying, and how hard it will be to attract the right candidate. And finally, I also resonated with the 72-hour pipeline playbook. We all have that challenge that top talents are limited. And everyone's chasing them. Let me tell you, the teams that identify, engage, deliver a solid slate within 72 hours of a rec opening, they win. And that's where proactive sourcing, AI-powered research, and hyper-personalized outreach comes together. No doubt about it that AI can speed us up, but it's our judgment that makes hiring human. Follow Recruitment Insights for more such real talks, and I break down more such topics in my upcoming videos, so keep watching. I hope this helps.